State ASIGI academic institution AMASUNG business establishment sing ASIGI SHAMNAPHAM ama THAMLABADI PHIVAM SHOKLABA MANIPUR gi SHENMITLON ase KHARADA OIRABASU CHINGKHATPADA MATENG OIGANI HAINA Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor N. LOKENDRA na PHONGDORAKLI wafam ase ngasi dagi hauraga numit humni chupna pangthokadaba Manipur University ki brand event ama Oiriba Manfete 2025 Houdokhre ki thoramda mahakna PHONGDOKIBANI Manipur University ki auditorium da pangthokpa Manfete 2025 Houdokhre ki thoram aduda chief guest ki warol piraduna Professor LOKENDRA na hai COVID-19 laichak manung amade masigi matungda university asigi academic atmosphere da ahongba khara leikhe adubo hokiba chahi ahum mari asida Manipur University ke academic atmosphere ase masek mangal naina ba akan bamong da hotnaraga lakli madugi damak university asina academic amasung non academic ka mari leina ba program sing amate lairiba department amasung faculty sing da angam mating pangli ngasidagi haugadoriba Manfete ase so Manipur University ki oinade yamna maruiba program amani masina university asege academic atmosphere hena masek mangal naihanbada achouba mating oigadoribani amaromda Manfete ase pangthoknaba hotnabada achouba thodang lauriba Manipur Institute of Management Studies MIMS MU ge mahiroi singi oina so event ase yamna maruiba amani maramde makoina classroom da tansin khiba loshin kaya do practical da onthoknabagi achouba tanja ama fanglibani HAINA mahakna PHONGDORAKLI Professor N. LOKENDRA na makhatana hai handak chahi gi Manfete sponsor kaya ama thorakpa sina event ase Manipur da leiriba business group singge pukning chingshin ba ngamle haibadu takpane Manipur gi economy fagatna bagi damak academic institution ama so business establishment ani ase shamnana chatpagi tangai fadabasu lai masina PHIVAM SHOKLABA Manipur gi economy ase KHARADA OIRABASU CHINGKHATPADA achouba mating oigani Manfete asina academic institution amasung business establishment ani ki SHAMNAPHAM oina ba platform oihanse lamdam asige entrepreneur amasung business personnel sing event asida kauduna hawalakliba naha singna Manipur gi economy fagatna ba kari toba yabage haibagi loshin tansil hausi haina Professor LOKENDRA na makhatana PHONGDORAKLI
that there is an increasing consciousness both among the student community as well as the business community that this kind of interaction between the academic institutions and the business houses is extremely crucial in order to make the overall economy and society of Manipur to be vibrant. We cannot deny the fact that Manipur's economy is not as good as many other states in the region. We have been talking on this particular issue, we have been debating, we have been listening to so much of discourses on this particular issue. And I would like to encourage our students, at least either from this year onwards or next year, to make this platform as a meeting point for young entrepreneurs, for aspiring business personnel,